Five. Magic one for the piñata, of course. Now, Princess Kelsey, come over here. Yeah, no. Inside have a spider and cockroach. If you done to hit the piñata, take one each plastic to Mr. Alcin, okay? Mr. Alcin, that side. Okay, yeah. Now, Kelsey, hit 5 times. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody clap your hands. Amazing. Take your plastic. Now, come here, come. Your turn. I give 1 each. Go. Hit it. Go. Thank you so much. Clap your hands. Next. Okay, now let's go. Hit. Wow. Next. Hadida, come here. Okay. Now let's go. Hit. Wow. Clap your hands, everyone. Okay, next, come here. Let's go. Wow. Clap your hands. I think this one is taekwondo. Next. Okay. Our bumper. Go. Wow. Clap your hands. Next.
Creepy.
Okay. Oh. Next. 1, 2, 3, let's go! Wow!
Good shot.
Everyone, don't forget to clap your hands. Okay, next. Wow! Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Now, Batman. Batman, come here. Okay, show me your power. Wow! Very good. Okay, next. Wait, Spider-Man. Let's go! Wow! Okay, come over here, chicken nuggets muscle is Spider-Man. Come on. Let's go! Wow! Okay, Superman. Captain America. Come here. Wow! Wow! Everyone, clap your hands. Next! 1, 2, 3. Okay, next.
Go, Isa.
1. Isa, come here. No? This side. Okay, now, go. Wow. Next, we have 4. Let's go. Next. For the candy. That's why I do plastic. Let's go! Or if you want, I can use Spider-Man or cockroach. No? Okay, let's go! Wow! You're the last one? Come here, maybe you hit me. Come here. This side. Okay, go! Wow! Okay, now, I need mommy, together with Kelsey. Daddy and mommy, come here. Help Kelsey. Kelsey, come here. I want both of you need to break the piñata. Okay, now, I think better. Okay, please, Kelsey. Okay, now let's go now. 5, 4, 3, 2,